Good morning, MCAT High School, and welcome to your announcements for this week, September 1st, 2020. And yes, it is already the month of September. This week, I want to remind you that Friday we will have a shortened schedule. Your classes will be about 35 minutes long and go from 7:50 to 11:50. On Fridays, you typically need to check the Google Classroom to see what activities your teachers have planned. Just please know in advance that the afternoon classes will be a little bit earlier, and if the teachers have something planned, it may be on a shortened schedule. There is no school on Monday, September 7th for Labor Day. And Tuesday, September 8th is our first academic checkpoint. I want to encourage you to make sure you can get into Student View and check your grades. Here is the early release schedule for this Friday, September 4th. So please make sure that if your teacher has planned an activity to be done during that specific class period, that you are logged in during that time. Our college and career counseling planning team is hard at work for you. That's Miss Long and Miss Rivera. They keep looking for opportunities and other ways to help you plan beyond high school when you finally get that diploma. They have set up a Counselor's Corner Google Classroom. That is where you are going to want to go for Zoom links to any workshop Wednesdays or other events that they're planning to help you get started on your post-high school options. The Google Classroom code is on your screen in case you did not receive an invite for the Counselor's Corner Google Classroom. But if you did, please make sure you join it so you can see what's going on with college and career planning. Here are some of our first events for college and career planning. This Wednesday, September 9th, during third hour, there will be a session on healthy decision making. This is an opportunity for everyone to come together and learn more about how to make healthier choices in your life. If you'd like to get together with the group during that time, please make sure you go to the Counselor Corner Google Classroom to get the link for this workshop Wednesday on September 9th during third hour. We also have a Tri-University Week coming up. This is where representatives from the 3 Arizona universities will be sharing information for prospective students and families. This starts on September 8th and it goes through September 12th. So please make sure that you again look in the Counselor Corner Google Classroom to get those links and then learn more from each of the universities about how to apply. Finally, there is a survey that the counselors are giving out about college and career readiness. We would really appreciate it if you would take a few minutes and fill out the form. There are questions there that you may not know the answer to. If you leave it blank, it helps us know what more you need to learn about post-high school planning. So we have our 3As at MCAT, and I'd like to continue to thank everybody for working so hard in academics, attendance, and attitude. As you know, your teachers have started to award virtual cheetah tickets. So as you're checking your Gmail, you will see different ways that they're trying to recognize your hard work. We have a winner from last week's cheetah ticket drawing. That goes to Ava Gaudet. Ava, if you would please reach out to Miss Tiffany Montez, she will help you collect your prize. Thanks, Ava, for working so hard. We also have some birthdays coming up this week for September 1st through 7th. On September 1st, it is Jace Dixon Jordan and Sean Roberts' birthday. Happy birthday to both of you today. Followed by Andrew Franks on September 3rd and Ivy Maynard on September 5th. We also have our weekly Perfect Attendance Award, and this week, Lucas Caraveo is being recognized for having perfect attendance in the last week. Lucas, you have a $10 gift card. You need to contact Miss Tiffany to arrange pickup for that card. We have a reminder again about our interim academic progress checkpoint, which is just a week from today on September 8th. That means there are 5 weeks left until final exams, so you really want to make sure you know where you stand as we hit this important midpoint. Please check your your MUSD student view regularly and definitely next week to make sure you know where you stand in your classes. This week, I'd like to talk to you about character. Good character means that you tell the truth, you're honest, you show kindness, and that you're helpful and make good choices with other people. It's important that you stop every now and then and think about being a good person and having good character. In the movie Shrek, Shrek said that most people are willing to change, not because they see the light, but because they feel the heat. These wise words from Shrek mean that we don't always change when we need to. We change when we feel like we have to. And so I would encourage you this week to stop and think if there's anything that needs to change in your life. Are there things that you need to think about and see the light before you feel the heat? I know that you are strong, and I know that when there are problems, you can be strong enough to get through them. I believe in you, and I want you to believe in yourself. I hope you have a terrific Tuesday and a wonderful week. We'll see you back here soon.